Yo, what's up, Team Lit? This is your goddamn Tanna from Tanna So Lit. And people, if you own a Samsung smartphone and after update or anything, does your text look like this, all backwards and crazy and stuff? Well, don't worry about it. I got a fix for that. Yes, sir, yes, sir. So enough me yapping. I'm finna show you how I made it happen. Let's go. All right, family, here's the Samsung Galaxy A50 that I was filming with in the beginning of this video. Man, the steps that I'm gonna show you are very quick and simple, so pay attention. Here we go. Now, the first thing that you wanna do is you wanna open up the camera app. Put it up like so. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Now go to the settings wheel at the top left, press on that. Now scroll down to where it says save options right here. Press on that. Now you see where it says pictures as previewed. You want to uncheck that. And family, that's the fixed. That's what fixed it all. Man, I wanted to do this video because on my Super Shield's privacy screen protector video, the font was backwards and it looked weird as hell. And I saw it on my guy Tech King's Mike video and Max Lee's video as well. So hopefully this helped you all out. So family, every time you update your Samsung phone, just go to the camera settings and change that option. Well, all right, everybody, that just about does it for this one. So if you like what you saw and like what you heard, please give your guy a thumbs up because that's official. Yes, sir, yes, sir. But if you have not yet subscribed to my channel to feel the whole swag and madness of Dan Tanna and Team Lit, then do that too, because that's official too. All right, everybody, get money. Get respect, and enjoy your tech. Be easy.